What's going on, guys? Got my 3D printer up and running, and I found a 3D printer file for 45 snake shot capsules. So I'm gonna print some of these out, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with them, and we'll try and load them. All right, guys. This is what we ended up with, finished printing, and I'll show you how I pop all these things apart and put them together. Alright guys, pretty much all we're doing is pulling this stuff apart. It has like a thin plastic here, and what I normally do is, well, I shouldn't say normally because I'm new at this. I should say what I've been doing is, like this here, I'll get it down as much as I can, and then I'll run it through my 452 sizer, and it normally just pops the rest of it off. See how it has this like little bit of flashing, you know, and the sizer normally just breaks it off, or gives me a spot where I can just pull it and it'll unravel itself. Alright, I'll pull all this apart and then I'll show you the sizer. Alright, so what I normally do is, like for this here, is I'll just throw one of these caps on, like so. Now let me get you over to the sizer. Alright, hopefully you can kind of see, but there's some of that flashing. I'll just stick it in there and run it down through just like I was doing a bullet. Let me get another one here. All right, I don't know if you can see that or not, but kind of bend it over. All right, this is the one that I just sized. All right, I was able to get this one to just like peel off. So just like a little shot shell. Alright, so what I got here is some number 4 shot. And it normally, well, again, it usually takes 1.5 of these here little dipper things, and that gets me about 140 grains. Move you over here a little bit. Okay, I'm light on this one. I need a couple more pellets. I'll probably end up loading these up with some trail balls to shoot them. Need another pellet. Oops. It's one too many. Oh, dang it. I mean, it fills it up pretty good. Zero. 139. Do another one here. way too many. Let's see what this squeeze out at. Oops, 118. Need some more. One more should do it. All right, maybe one more. There you go, 141. I haven't never shot any of these before, so I don't know how they're gonna go. But like I said, I'm gonna try and use Trail Boss on it. I thought it was neat. Now that I have a 3D printer, I don't know what I did without one. There's just so many things you can do with them. And I got this this off Thingiverse, this file off of Thingiverse. I seen it, I was like, oh, I'll give it a try. 145, I'll take it. So that's it. I just thought it was interesting. I figured I'll let you see what it is and how I did it. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but we're gonna see how they shoot though, that's for sure. Alright, that's all I have for right now. I'll talk to you guys later.